What's up, guys? Quick video here. 1996 BMW Z3. Here's some advice for you. When you are washing your car, especially if you go to the do-it-yourself car wash, you know, where you've got that big wand that you're wiping around, make sure you remove your antenna before you do this. I've already broken 2 of these, and I didn't just break the mast. I actually broke off way down in there, so I had to replace the entire assembly under there, which is well over $100. So that's my own fault, but I'm sure some of you have had that same problem, probably for other cars as well, that has a relatively small and not so robust antenna. Just unscrew it and take it off when you're washing your car. That's it. Check out other videos. We got all kinds of stuff on our channel that might help you, and look for the thumbnail links at the end, as well as our social media links in the description. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.